Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give you a book back answer in science for 3rd standard, term 3 portion, children, unit 2, animal life. So in the previous class itself, we have started this lesson. We have written Roman number 1, choose the correct answer, and Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. Now we are going to move to the Roman number 3, children. So I think you have written in your classwork both the Roman numbers. Now we are going to continue. Roman number 3, answer the following. So take down in your classwork, children. Write neatly without making any spelling mistakes. Answer the following. Okay. So first one. Land and water. Land and water are common habitats. What is a habitat? What is the question, children? Land and water are common habitats. What is a habitat? Answer is the living place. The living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. Is the first question. What's the question, children? Land and water are common habitats. What is a habitat? The living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. What's it? The living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. So you can read along with me, children. So it will be easy for you all to learn. The living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. Now next question. Give 2 examples. Give 2 examples for each. First one, A, they have given terrestrial animal. So the 2 dash they have given cow, hen. These are the terrestrial or land animals. Next, aquatic. Aquatic means which lives in water. Aquatic animal, shark, fish. Okay, children, these 2 is answer. So what is the second one? Give 2 examples for each. Terrestrial animal, cow, hen. Terrestrial animal, cow, hen. Aquatic animal, shark, fish. Aquatic animal, shark, fish. So terrestrial animal, cow, hen. Aquatic animal, shark, fish. Third one, why animals move from place to place. What is the question? Why do animals move from place to place? Answer is animals move from place to place in search of food. In search of food. Okay, children. This is your third answer. Question: why animals move from place to place? Animals move from place to place in search of food. Animals move from place to place in search of food. Again, I'll say why animals move from place to place. Animals move from place to place in search of food. Animals move from place to place in search of food. So once again, land and water are common habitat. What is a habitat? The living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. Give two examples for each. Terrestrial animal, cow, hen. Aquatic animal, shark, fish. Why animals move from place to place? Animals move from place to place in search of food. Okay, children, these three questions. Next, we will go to the fourth question. Nectar is the food of butterfly. Food of butterfly. Nectar is the food of butterfly. Then what is the food of earthworm? What is the food of earthworm? So this is the question, children. Nectar is the food of butterfly. Then what is the food of earthworm? Answer is the food of earthworm. The food of earthworm is soil. With organic waste and microbes. Okay, children, this is your fourth answer. So once again we'll read. Nectar is the food of butterfly. Then what is the food of earthworm? The food of earthworm is soil with organic waste and microbes. Okay, children, what's that? The food of earthworm is soil. The food of earthworm is soil with organic waste and microbes. With organic waste and microbes. Then fifth one. Differentiate a herbivore from a carnivore. Okay, children, now we are going to write herbivore. Next is carnivore. Okay. Now first we'll write about herbivore. Now first point. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Herbivorous animals or herbivorous animal or herbivores. Herbivores are nothing, they are plant eaters. Herbivores, what we say? Plant eaters. Okay. Now example. Next is example. Deer, giraffe, cow, goat and elephant. All these are herbivorous animals. Okay. Now next we'll go to the carnivores. Now flesh-eating animals are called carnivorous animals or carnivores. Okay. And for this example, what is example? Tiger, lion, cheetah. You can give these three examples. Okay, children. Now do you understand how you will write this? Okay, first you have to write this and then this 2 points. Okay, children, will you write like this? So what is the question? Differentiate a herbivore from a carnivore. Herbivore animals that eat only plants are called herbivorous animals or herbivores. Plant eaters. Example: deer, giraffe, cow, goat and elephant. Carnivore. Flesh-eating animals are called carnivorous animals or carnivores. Example: tiger, lion, cheetah. So animals that eat only plants are called herbivorous animals or herbivores, plant eaters. Flesh-eating animals are called carnivorous animals or carnivores. Example: deer, giraffe, cow, goat and elephant. Example: tiger, lion and cheetah. Okay, children. Now next we'll go to the 6th question. So I will finish this, children. So next is the 6th one. Is human an omnivore or carnivore? This is a question. Answer is omnivore. Answer is omnivore. Okay, children. So, is human an omnivore or carnivore? Omnivore. Is human an omnivore or carnivore means what you will write? Omnivore. Next, give an example. Give an example of a food chain. Give an example of a food chain. Answer is grass, rabbit, snake. Okay, children. So, give an example of a food chain. Grass, rabbit, snake. What will you write? Grass, rabbit, snake. So give an example of a food chain. Grass, rabbit and snake. 8th question. Choose the correct food chain from the following. So choose the correct food chain from the following. A. Leaves, bird, insect. From this you have to choose the correct one. Insect, leaves, bird. Then C. Leaf, insect, bird. So what will be the correct food chain here? Yes, C is the correct food chain. You have to put tick. You are choosing this. Okay. So what is it here? Choose the correct food chain from the following. 3 options they have given. Leaves, bird, insect. Insect, leaves, bird. Leaves, insect, bird. So what will be the correct option? C. That is leaves, birds eat insect, and insects eat leaves. Right? This is a correct food chain. So 8 questions are there, children. We have completed the 8 lessons. So once again we'll read out. What nectar is the food of butterfly, and what is the food of earthworm? The food of earthworm is soil with organic waste and microbes. Then differentiate a herbivore from a carnivore. So first we have to write herbivores and carnivores like this. You have to divide the page into 2 properly. Okay, children. Then first you have to write herbivore. Here animals that eat only plants are called herbivorous animals or herbivores, plant eaters. Then next you have to write the carnivores. That side you have to write first. So first 2 points you have to write first, children, and then only you have to go to the second point. Flesh-eating animals are called carnivorous animals are carnivores. So we have finished this. Now we are going to write the second point on both the sides. Okay. Example, deer, giraffe, cow, goat and elephant. And here in the carnivore, example, tiger, lion and cheetah. So this is how we have to write this answer. Next is the 6th one. Is human an omnivore or carnivore? Answer is omnivore. Then give an example of a food chain. Grass, rabbit, snake. Then last is choose the correct food chain from the following. 3 options given. In that C is the correct answer. Leaves, bird, insect. Insect, leaves, bird. And the leaves, insect, bird. So correct is the option is C. Okay, children. So with this we are finishing this lesson. In the previous class we finished choose and fill up. Now we have finished the question answer, that is 8 question answers. Take down in your classwork all these objectives and question answers, children. Only then it will be easier for you to learn for your exam. Okay, children. So everything should be written in your classwork neatly without making any mistakes. Thank you, children.